How to add a card to your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a card. It can be a debit or a credit card to your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your App Store. After you're on your App Store, tap on the top right corner on your profile. After you do that, tap on your account that is on the top here. And now you're on your account settings. Let it load and it should look like this. Right there you'll find a manage payment option. Tap on it, and after you tap on manage payment, you should be able to add a payment method where you can add a card. So simply type in your card number here. You can even use the camera option to scan it, or you can, and then after that you can just type in the expiry date and then your CVV. After you do that, you're basically good to go. And yeah, that is how you add a card on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.